Harris.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 5.
Very good. Where are you from?
I'm Vietnam.
Okay. What color do you like?
I like red.
Red. Wow. Okay. Harris, what sport do you like?
I like swimming.
Swimming. What food do you like?
I like chicken.
Chicken. Very good. What fruit do you like?
I like watermelon.
Watermelon. Wow, that's yummy. Okay, Harris, what's this?
Seesaw.
Very good.
Line.
Okay.
Swing.
Mm-hmm.
Sea.
Very good.
Seesaw.
Okay.
Line.
Okay.
Cone.
School.
Rope.
Stool. Very good.
Sister.
Mm-hmm.
Shark.
Very good.
Fast.
Mm-hmm.
Flow.
Wow.
Push.
Mm-hmm.
Pull.
Okay, good job.
I see you. You seesaw.
Seesaw.
I see you fly.
Slide.
I see you monkey.
Monkey. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, good job, Harris. Very good.